Democracy is not a British invention into India. It's not a British thing, nor is secularism, nor are all these great virtues. These were already ours. They were always there. In fact, because they were there, we controlled 33% of the world economy. We were the superpower that everyone wanted to come here and conquer, everyone wanted a part of, everyone wanted to trade with. That's why people they didn't go actually looking for America. I think somebody went looking for India and landed up in America. So America was a mistake. India was the right destination. And I think that's the beauty of India. Everybody gets space. So think about it. The Britishers or everybody else, the Greeks think that they gave us democracy. No, it's actually there in our Rigveds and in our Atharvaveda. In fact, the word republic has been used about 9 times in Rigveda. It's been used 40 times in Atharvaveda. Do you know sabhas and samitis? What is that? Samgyan. Samgyan means collective consciousness. That means collective of people, their consciousness. These are the terminologies that actually reflect the deep-seated, deep-rooted belief that our Indian scriptures always had in the spirit of democracy, in the spirit of pluralism, in the spirit of dialogue. And while there were the Vedas, which were considered the authority, there was also the Charvak, which was considered an antithesis to the Vedas, which was considered as a challenging authority to the Vedas. And that too existed. That too coexisted. So India knows how to coexist. It's part of our DNA. It's part of our genes. Therefore, we have a situation where in this country, we all celebrate so many festivals. We don't need to be told that because we are a secular country, we need to indulge our neighbors who may belong to another faith. We do it because we love to do it.